Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to adjust a tight armhole for more comfort. This is gonna work on anything like dresses, jackets, blouse, or whatever you have that the armhole is too tight and you want to adjust it. So I'll start by turning this to the wrong side. This jacket is fully lined with the same fabric and I finished it up on the inside using hand stitch. So now I'm just unpicking that hand stitch part and I'll unpick it to a point and turn it in out. Once it's turned in out, I will then mark how much I want to adjust the armhole on the underarm point. So this is going to be different for different people depending on how tight your dress or your blouse is, and depending on how much room you want, so that depends on how much you need to take out. So for me, I'll be taking out 2 centimeters on the underarm point and then I'll redraw the underarm curve. And this is the 2 centimeters mark. Now you could either use a French curve to redraw the armhole curve, blending it back to the original curve, or simply use a freehand, which is what I'm going to be doing. So I will be drawing some broken lines from the 2 cm point back to the original armhole, making sure it blends nicely together. So when I sew and turn it to the right side, I still have a clean armhole curve. Now it's time to sew. I'll start my stitch from the initial armhole seam before working my way smoothly through the new armhole curve, and as I sew, I'll use my hands to arrange the fabric properly to get a clean seam around the curve. And this is me done sewing. Now I'm taking out the pins and I'll check the stitch on both sides to make sure everything is sewn nicely and clean. And as you can see, everything is looking gorgeous. So I'll cut off the excess fabric, then notch around the seam before turning it to the right side. And this is it on the right side. I'll give it a good press and finish it up with an hand stitch just as it was before. This I'll do off camera, and yep, this is how to adjust your seam, and this is it on me. It's now very comfortable. I have enough room now to move around. I could breathe in fresh air, and here is a before and after video. I could even raise my hands up properly now. And this is the little bit of the fabric I took out. So if this video has been helpful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.